Hey, what's happening, guys? So on this video I'm about to show you how I turn $20 worth of fabric into a $500 profit. So if you're looking for a side hustle or a way to make money from home, this video is going to blow up your mind, because I am always looking for ways to make money from home the smart way. It doesn't matter your age, what matters is your motivation, because money is everywhere. You just gotta look around. We live through very uncertain times. Yes, gas prices are through the roof, food very expensive, but what if I tell you that you can still find ways to make money? Look at the money I made on eBay from making a software with AI, 100% free. We're making some decals for a car installation. So of course, make sure you stay until the end and like this video. Now, before I show you the evidence of all the money I make flags as a hobby or one of my side hustles, because it is a very profitable business. And as you can see, I am making these Mexican flags from the famous Battle of Puebla, or the Cinco de Mayo battle. That is why we celebrate Cinco de Mayo, in case you didn't know that. And here is the main base of the flag. And basically I use acrylic paint to do this flag. However, I do have a different technique today, which I will explain later. But in the beginning, I use a stencil to make my flag. By the way, guys, I appreciate if you hype this video. This will help me a lot. And this is the stencil that I use for my eagle before I apply the brown color. Once I apply my transfer, I will put that on my piece of fabric here, which is the center of the flag, and then use all three colors to make the brown color. And then I will use only these three colors for the entire flag and the sign, because to make green I also need blue and yellow to make a green color. So I use all this acrylic paints for the entire design. However, this will take me a long time to do a decal, place it on the fabric, and then do the brown colors. So I make this process way shorter and easier for me. Now I just use an iron to place this logo from this screen print and transfer and do the main base, which is brown. By the way, I'm selling this. If you want to support me and get your transfers to make your Mexican flag, and of course make money, I will leave the link below. And this flag has been selling a lot lately, since we begin with the World Cup and then the Cinco de Mayo festivities, which is around the time when I started selling it. Now I'm about to show you how it is made. Now, of course, if you want to make flags, you will need a lot of equipment. First, you will need a white pencil to trace dark colors, a blue ruler, scissors, and another ruler to take measurements. I recommend this ruler to make accurate cuts like this, and the white pencil, like I said, to trace on dark fabrics, and the blue ruler will help you align it perfectly. But do not worry, I'm going to leave all the links of all the equipment that I use to make my job easier, so you can get it through the links below. Now, the sizes I use is 16 by 31 for each color, and here's the two pieces that I use for this flag. So I'm going to make two flags, and here's the eagle that I use with the transfer and the acrylic paint that I use to trace and paint the eagle. And now let's stitch. I use my Singer Prisma machine. This is powerful enough to make flags. I will also leave the link for this machine if you want to get it. Plus, it is very cheap. And this is how I do it. There are many tutorials on YouTube to show you how to set up this machine and also how to sew. Now, this is why you need the blue ruler that I have here, because sometimes it will come up bigger than the other side. And this is what I do. I place it on the other color and trace with my white pencil and cut it there. This is why you need this. And here I have my first flag finished. Now I'm going to continue and do my next flag. This is perhaps the easiest flag that I make. However, the only hardest part is to do the eagle. But like I said, now with the transfers, this has made my job easier. Now I got two flags here, which is worth $12 for making them, and I sell them around $50 to $65 as I'm about to show you. So this is really good profit once you master and learn how to make them. But when you get fabric in bulk sizes, you save more money. Instead of the small ones are more expensive. So in the end, I made calculations and I spent around $26 to make all the flags that I'm about to show you and how much I make, which is over $500. Now pay attention to all the Mexican flags and the prices that I sold all of this. So if I add them up, all of the 10 flags that I sold, I made approximately $523 to be precise. And as you can see, the Mexican flag is not the only flag that I sell, but I'm just focusing on the Mexican flag. So now you know. Let me know in the comments if I should continue this series of my flag business. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, hit the like. I will see you pretty soon on my next episode on this series.